Hi, I received a new package today, so I just wanna give a quick unboxing video. So you can see it's a Lenovo IdeaPad laptop. Model is Y700. It has an Intel quad-core processor. It's i7-6700HQ. Yeah, let's open this box quick. This is just some thingies, don't need those. This is empty. I guess this is kind of a like premium laptop for Lenovo, so packaging seems to be quite nice. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Here is a power cable. It's quite a powerful laptop, so the power cable thing is quite big. So let's check what's inside here. Oh, it's some instructions, I guess, that I don't think I'll need, and a power cable. Cool. Okay, let's get to the best part now. I'm doing this with one hand, so excuse me. I have to be careful. Okay. It's wrapped pretty well. Here we have it. It's a nice aluminum finish. I don't know if you can see it. It's cold outside, so the whole laptop is pretty cold. Let's check the other side. Hope I don't scratch it putting it like this. Yeah, it has the bass thingy speaker. Here I think are just like cooling vents, and the main cooling vent is back here. As for ports, it has one HDMI, two USB 3 ports, Ethernet cable, and a Kensington lock slot. On the other side you have a SD card, headphone jack, microphone, a USB slot, and a power slot. So this, I do not believe this came with an operating system, so I don't think I'll be able to boot it up, but let's open it up and see. Let's actually try if it opens up easy or not. Yeah, I can open it with one hand, not holding it, so that's actually good. And here it is. Has some stickers. Lenovo IdeaPad, Y700, DDR4 memory, backlit keyboard. It says it has JBL speakers. I don't know if you can see that. And it has an NVIDIA GeForce 960 GTX and i7 processor. So let me try the keyboard. I've seen some reviews and people say it's like one of the best keyboards there is, and it feels like nice to touch. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but it feels pretty good to me. And it has the, I guess it's a gaming laptop, so it has WASD keys marked, so you don't miss them. That's a gaming thing. Let's try the touchpad. Touchpad wise, it's not the best touchpad that I've touched. Like, if you try Macs, they have way better touchpads, but considering I paid like 900 euros for this with 6700 HQ, I think it's a good deal. Let's try to boot it up. I do not think it has an OS. And nothing is happening. I think I'm gonna have to do an SSD install because it came with standard HDD and I have an SSD that I want to use in this.